because let's see who's going to win on this. I think we're going to have a race, but this is not the biggest part of the race. Get your cameras on this, ladies and gentlemen. Michael Wiskus and the Coin Force Smoking Thunder Jet Car in formation. Michael Wiskus scoots away, but we have yet to see the power from that J34 jet engine. Raw jet fuel will be poured into the exhaust of the Smoking Thunder Jet Car's J34 engine. And when that happens, it'll give it to allow it to get up to nearly 400 miles an hour in just less than 8 seconds.
I think that jet car messed up.
Keep your cameras on this one and listen to the mini sonic booms as Bill Brock brings it to a stop and pops that burner. This has happened at some of the other shows we've been to this year. They've got a race, and we're going to see this airplane and the Smoking Thunder jet car race. Pitts biplane, the Lucas Oil biplane, will be using a diving start. He can get over 230 miles per hour in that airplane. The Smoking Thunder jet car will be ready from a standing start to release the brakes. He'll be spooled up. How many of you think the jet car is going to win? How many of you think the airplane's going to win? All right, let's watch. I think we're going to have us a race right about now. Michael Wiskus circling around one more time. Bill Brock, the driver of the Smoking Thunder jet car. Is getting ready to give his get the throttle going and bring it up to full speed before he releases the brakes. Here we go. We got us a race. The smoke is on. Michael Wiskus diving down. 5, 4, 3. Oh, they're off. Afterburners on. Michael Wiskus goes into night bench flight. He's really pouring it on, but here comes the Smoking Thunder jet car. Was that a great race or what? I can't hear you! Woo! Wow! As the Smoking Thunder jet